watch this not activate.
Of the weather radio station KIG.
I don't know what's wrong with it.
Columbus, Ohio. Public
I
warning
think it's supposed to
system.
be.
During potentially
Do what?
dangerous weather
Listen.
situations, specially built receivers can be
Yeah, it's supposed to
automatically
be.
activated by
Nah,
the
this
signal
one didn't do
to warn of the
anything.
impending
Is it this one?
hazard.
Is it?
Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally
The
conducted by
WR300 finally
National Weather
activated.
Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Knox, Licking, Madison, Marion, Morrow, Muskingum, Perry, Pickaway, and Union. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KIG, 86 Columbus, Ohio. Now looking at the weather
Alright,
patterns affecting
one
the
day
Southern Great Lakes
you
and
will
Ohio Valley
activate
region.
or you will be traded for a different
Temperatures will
one.
continue today ahead of a cold front that moves
So I'm
through
thinking the
area
problem
this afternoon.
might be this cord, because I don't have a cord for a WR100, so I just did that. So maybe it's not enough power to do anything, but I don't know.
A second cold front will move through the region on Friday, offering a
If
chance
once I
for
finally
rain.
get a power cord for it and it still doesn't work, I'm
High
trading it for a
pressure
different one.
temperatures